On this video, I'm going to talk about YouTube SEO and how to optimize your video in order to appear on YouTube top search. So in this video, I've shortlist outlines which I'm going to talk about, which are YouTube SEO tips, in which I've listed the basic things that you need to do on your video in order to rank your video professionally. So in this video, we're going to discuss about renaming your videos file using a target keywords and all other stuff listed here. So let's get started. So discuss about renaming your videos file using a target keyword, in which in your video you need to make use of target keywords which people are actually searching for in order to rank your video on YouTube search. The second one we discuss about inserting your keywords naturally in the video. You need to make use of keywords in your video before you are uploading the video to your channel in order to rank your video professionally, because this is actually important. Discuss about optimizing your video description as well. On your video, you need to discuss what your video is all about on your video description, because this is very important and it tells YouTube on what your video is all about. So number 4, tag your video with popular keywords that are related to your topics, in the sense that there are some high competitive keywords and there are some low competitive keywords. You need to match all these keywords together to form your keywords, in which when your video is ranking through the low competitive keywords, definitely it will also rank through the high competitive keyword, because the low competitive keywords will rank your video over and will make it appear on the high competitive keyword as well. So you need to match both keywords together in order to make your video perform perfectly well. Number 5, categorize your video. There are some channels that deal with probably maybe health, diet, fitness, weight loss, all the stuff. They are all about health. You need to categorize video that deal with health. You need to categorize video that deal with fitness. You need to categorize the video that deal with diet, in which people found it easy for them to locate anytime they want to watch a particular video. So we discussed about uploading a custom thumbnail image for your video result link. This is very important when you are operating a YouTube channel, because a thumbnail is what everyone will see before clicking on your video. It's very, very important, and your thumbnail must be very eye-catchy, because this will help you to gain views and subscribers. This is the startup for your videos to get views. If your thumbnail is not eye-catchy, definitely people will not gonna click on it, and you will be losing views, subscribers, and other stuff. This is very, very important if you are operating a YouTube channel. Number 7, use an SRT file to add subtitle and closed caption. This is very important, and because it helps you to optimize and boost your video on the important keywords that people are really searching for. This is very important. This is very important. People don't used to take note of this section, and if you make use of it very well, definitely your video will perform well on YouTube search. This is the last screen, in which adding a card and end screen to increase your YouTube channel viewership. This is also very important to keep your audience busy on your channel. Once they watch a particular video finished, like, they should be able to watch another videos of yours on your channel, in which the video might be interested in them, related to the previous video that they just watched. This is very important as well.